Welcome to my office. We have a mirror here. We have the chairs. This is where I sit right here. This is where you sit. This is where if somebody else comes in as well. On our left, we have when I was on CTV. So cute. And this is where Kamoy made for me. She made a book. She thanked me for helping her and coaching her, but so much credit goes to her, obviously. And here are my degrees: NLP, hypnosis, University of Toronto, and my life coaching certificates. And there we go. This is my life coaching bear. It says, "I'm a life coach. What's your superpower?" And these are my old business cards and a couple of life coaching mugs as well. So here is a look at, this is my computer as well. Look at my office. Hope you liked it.